In this video, I'll show you how to create your very first voice AI agent within the platform. You can find your voice AI agents under AI agents or under settings voice AI. To get started, let's navigate to voice AI and click create agent. On step 1, we can customize our agent name, business name, language, voice, time zone, and our agent's initial message. Don't worry, you can customize all of these things later, but feel free to at least browse the voice AI library and try out a couple of different voices by clicking the play button next to each voice. You can also filter your voices by their language, their accents, their genders, and you can toggle on high quality only. We'd recommend this because these are going to be the best sounding AI voices. Once you've selected an AI voice that you like, click Save Voice. Then click Next. On step 2, we can set up our agent's goals. The first thing we can do is select a knowledge base, which is where the agent is getting information about our business from. If you haven't created a knowledge base already, then you can simply click Create New and follow the steps from there. You can also include information about when the agent is to use this knowledge base. Then we can select which details to collect from the contact, like name, email, address, and the contact's issue. We can toggle on triggering workflows whenever a call's been completed, and we can customize our email notification settings. We can also switch to advanced mode, but we can do this later as well. Then click Next. On the last step, for voice AI agents, you have to designate what number they're going to be calling from. If you don't have a number already set up in your sub account, click Buy New Number. Lastly, we can customize our toggles for enabling the AI agent as a backup to the phone number/number pool, which allows it to answer the call if the user doesn't respond to the phone. And we can toggle on our working hours for the agent unless we want it to be active 24/7. From here, we can test our agent as long as we have a phone number, and when we're ready to save, we can click Save. We can then find our agent from Agent List. Again, we're now navigated within Settings under Voice AI Agents. This is the agent that we just created, and now you'll be able to see a couple of additional settings that weren't available during setup. Let's go over the additional settings that you have now that your agent is created. First, we have Advanced Settings in the top right. The first setting is how long our calls can last with our AI agents. And the second setting designates how long the agent will wait when the customer goes quiet and how many times they will repeat themselves, reminding the customers that they're still on the call. Our second set of settings is agent behavior. Here we can select different response speeds between normal, moderate, and fast. We can change our interruption sensitivity and as well as our LLM temperature. Temperature is just how creative the AI is allowed to get while it's on the call. So lower values make the AI agent more stable and higher values make it more creative. Lastly, we can change our voice settings. These include things like our voice speed, our voice temperature, our voice volume, as well as our background sound. We can select one of these ambient sounds in order to make our call sound more realistic. Once we're done with these settings, we can click confirm. The other settings we can customize are under agent goals. As you can see, we can still switch to advanced mode right here. And don't worry, you can switch back to basic mode whenever you wish. Advanced mode allows us to 1, finely tune our prompt, which you can see the existing prompt here, and you can include things like custom fields, as well as automatic evaluations of your prompts. Secondly, you can set up actions, anything from call transfers, workflow triggers, SMS sending, updating contact fields, appointment booking, and beta actions, which allow you to tie in with separate APIs. Play around with different actions depending on what your agent goal is. Each action will include a name and a couple of different fields that you need to fill out in order to make sure the action functions properly. Just be sure to follow all the steps within the action and you'll be good to go. Lastly, we can designate if we want to trigger workflows whenever the call is completed. We can also designate actions to happen during the call and after the call. And as you can see, we have 3 automatic actions, which you should leave here. Make sure to read your prompt guidelines, customize your prompt, build knowledge bases, and customize your voice and additional voice AI settings in order to make your agent work for you.